How to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. For this, open your Google and in the search bar you have to search for Snapchat support and tap on the first suggestion shown. From this option, tap on My account is compromised. Now right here, make sure you have tapped on I can't access my account and in the below you have to tap on my account was compromised. Now if you scroll down a little, you will find there is a form to fill. Here, go ahead and write your username of your Snapchat, your email address that is linked to your Snap, and also your mobile number linked to your Snapchat. Once you have filled that, in the description box, type in your issue. For an example, I have written here my Snapchat account has been temporarily disabled. However, I have not violated any of the community guidelines. You can basically copy the same thing that I wrote, or you can even be creative with it of your own. And once you do that, just tap on the submit button at the end. Then in a couple of days, you will be notified by the Snapchat team with the solution. Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.